Hey everyone, it's Ayabunda 123 Bijak, and let's talk about a food we probably all have in our kitchens. That's right, tomatoes. We use them in everything from sauces to salads. They add flavor and freshness to our meals. But did you know that this humble fruit is actually a nutritional powerhouse? It's incredible how something so common can pack such a powerful punch when it comes to health benefits. Tomatoes are a staple in diets around the world, and for good reason. They're not just delicious, but are jam-packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can seriously boost your health. So, in this video, we're diving deep into the incredible benefits of eating tomatoes daily. Get ready to be amazed because we're about to uncover 7 ways this everyday fruit can transform your health. First up, let's talk about the sheer nutrient density of tomatoes. They're bursting with essential vitamins and minerals like vitamins A, C, and K, potassium, and folate. These nutrients are essential for so many bodily functions. Vitamin C, for example, is a powerful antioxidant that supports a healthy immune system, while potassium is crucial for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. And don't forget about lycopene, the superstar antioxidant that gives tomatoes their vibrant red color. We'll talk more about its fantastic benefits in just a bit. Speaking of antioxidants, tomatoes are packed with them. Antioxidants help protect our cells from damage caused by harmful free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can contribute to aging and disease. Lycopene, in particular, has been linked to a reduced risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, cancer, and age-related macular degeneration. It's even more easily absorbed by our bodies when tomatoes are cooked. So whether you're enjoying a fresh salad or a delicious tomato sauce, you're giving your body an antioxidant boost. Let's talk about heart health. Tomatoes are a friend to your heart in so many ways. The potassium in tomatoes helps regulate blood pressure, which is essential for maintaining a healthy cardiovascular system. Lycopene, once again, steals the show by helping to lower LDL cholesterol, often referred to as the bad cholesterol. High LDL cholesterol is a major risk factor for heart disease, so keeping it in check is crucial. Adding tomatoes to your diet is a simple yet powerful step you can take towards a healthier heart. Believe it or not, tomatoes are fantastic for your skin. They contain a high amount of vitamin C, which is essential for collagen production. Collagen is a protein that gives our skin its structure, elasticity, and youthful appearance. Tomatoes also have anti-inflammatory properties, which can help soothe skin conditions like acne and eczema. Some people even find that applying tomato pulp topically can help reduce blemishes and redness. So whether you're eating them or using them as a natural beauty treatment, tomatoes can help you achieve that healthy glow. Having digestive issues? Tomatoes might be able to help. They're a good source of fiber, which is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system. Fiber adds bulk to our stool, making it easier to pass and preventing constipation. It also acts as a prebiotic, feeding the good bacteria in our gut and promoting a healthy gut microbiome. So, if you're looking for a natural way to improve your digestion, look no further than the humble tomato. Now let's talk about one of the most significant potential benefits of tomatoes' cancer prevention. Studies have shown that a diet rich in tomatoes may be associated with a lower risk of certain types of cancer, including prostate, lung, and stomach cancer. Lycopene once again takes center stage for its potential anti-cancer properties. It's thought to work by protecting cells from DNA damage and inhibiting the growth of cancer cells. While more research is needed, the evidence suggests that tomatoes could play a role in cancer prevention. Last but not least, let's talk about how tomatoes can benefit our eyes. Tomatoes are a good source of lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 antioxidants that are concentrated in the macula, the part of the eye responsible for central vision. Lutein and zeaxanthin help protect our eyes from harmful blue light and may reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration, a leading cause of vision loss in older adults. So, by including tomatoes in your diet, you're not only nourishing your body but also protecting your precious eyesight. Wow, we've covered a lot of ground today, and it's clear that tomatoes are a true superfood. From boosting heart health to protecting our skin and eyes, the benefits of eating tomatoes daily are undeniable. So, I encourage you to make tomatoes a regular part of your diet. Whether you enjoy them fresh, cooked, or in sauces, there are endless ways to incorporate this versatile fruit into your meals. If you enjoyed learning about the amazing benefits of tomatoes, give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment below sharing your favorite way to eat tomatoes. And don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Until next time, stay healthy.